The image of God, a biological perspective. When it comes to terrestrial life, the Eastern Orthodox recognize three classes of living things that populate the physical world. St. Maximus the Confessor enumerates them in ascending order of complexity. He says, the vegetable, the sentient, and the rational. Plants are distinguished by the property of a productive and growing motion, the sentient by motion caused by impulse, but the rational by self-determination. Let's break these down a bit further. Vegetative life is easily the simplest out of the three. It is characterized by processes that are both internal and purely natural. These include productivity, growth, generation, and regeneration. This is typically accomplished through the assimilation and conversion of surrounding elements into nutrients. But this is not universally the case with all plant-based organisms, as some are non-photosynthetic and obtain nutrients via other means. Sentient life broadly encompasses all animals. Unlike vegetative life forms, sentient life forms possess a true awareness of their environment through sense data. They can experience hunger, thirst, pain, satisfaction, fear, etc., and react to each experience through aversion or attraction. Because of their ability to perceive and react, sentient life forms are capable of moving through time and space, unlike vegetative life forms which remain rooted and stationary. And lastly, rational life forms are human beings. For the Confessor, what distinguishes humans from animals is not mere sentience, but the self-determination of a rational mind. While animals and humans are mutually sentient, only humans are rational beings. Unlike animals, we have moral obligations. We can deliberate between a multitude of options and carefully consider each one in a manner that's not driven by baseline instinct and sense data. We can discover and contemplate the transcendental categories that precondition knowledge. Categories like the laws of logic, abstract objects, philosophical axioms, etc. We can even override our own neurological processes, like our ability to cancel the readiness potential in our brains if we choose to do so. More recent studies have found no direct correlation between the human brain's readiness potential and conscious deliberation, which means that human beings have genuine free will. Lastly, it must be noted that each higher form of life possesses the characteristics of the lesser ones in a unique mode. Animals are sentient, but they also possess the capacity for growth and productivity like plants. And humans, despite being rational, possess the qualities of both vegetative and sentient life. So human beings are a unique microcosm of all three, which distinguishes us from the rest of the world. So God himself is the very pinnacle of being, but he designed humans to be the pinnacle of created beings. It's certainly good to bear that image.